All right, YouTube. Hey, this is Motorcycle Business. A couple of weeks ago, I was in Laughlin, Nevada. Ran across this guy who had a product. It was called Go Cruise. There's a little snapshot of the product right now. And this is a cruise control device that goes on your motorcycle. Now, it slips across your throttle of your motorcycle, and I'll demonstrate that now on how it slips across your throttle. Very simple. Here's the product right here. It's called Go Cruise. Okay. And it slips on, just like that. And then you have this little clamp piece that you tighten up. You tighten it up on your bike. Okay. And then once it's tight, you just go forward and lock it into place. That's how it works. Simple as that. I got a little demonstration. I went on a little ride today. I'm going to take you on a little ride and show you how it works. Thank you for watching. Motorcycle Business. Out. So go check it out and see how it works on the bike. Just go from there. All right. We'll do a quick ride today. It's 98 degrees in Las Vegas. Hot day in Las Vegas. They get before I'm going to try this new cruise control.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Got new shoes on my ride.
Yes, sir.
Rolling down 95.
Yes, sir.
And you can see in my eyes.
Yes, sir.
That I'm looking for a cutie pie.
Yes, sir.
And we ain't gotta make love.
Yes, sir.
And we can just cuddle up.
Yes, sir.
And if you don't wanna cuddle up,
Yes, sir.
then baby we can make love.
Yes, sir.
My body, your body. My body, your body. My body, your body. My body.
I don't know why, but the ladies call them baby blue the sticker. They take me and make me they victim. I listen and teach them. If they married, I sneak them. If they look like wifey material, then I keep them. Stunting through the city trying to find a lady who's beautiful, but she gotta have booty too. Baby blue gon' let you do what you wanna do. You can jump on me if you really want to. Dressed up in Armani, not, get your dough like a prom day. Let me meet your mommy. I'm ahead of my class, having a blast. Yeah, I barely passed, but I'm still pushing the jack.
Got new shoes on my ride.
Yes, sir.
Rolling down 95.
Yes, sir.
And you can see in my eyes.
Yes, sir.
That I'm looking for a cutie pie.
Yes, sir.
And we ain't gotta make love.
Yes, sir.
And we can just cuddle up.
Yes, sir.
And if you don't wanna cuddle up,
Yes, sir.
then baby we can make love.
Yes, sir.
My body, your body, my body.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to reach over with my left hand. Once I get to the field that I want to get to, and I'm going to set it, and let's see if it holds. Right now with 65 miles an hour, I'm just getting 10 over at 75. And see if it holds, guys. It holds. Okay. Hold it. Okay, looks like it's holding. My speed is dropping right now a little bit. But I don't know if it could be out. It could be a bump. I think it is. It seems like I can do the more. You can drop it down a little bit. I was able to do that with my thumb. And just tighten it up a little bit. Try it out again. Okay. Now it seems to be holding. Okay, so what I noticed is that it holds the throttle
holding the throttle. But what I'm noticing is that when I'm going down a hill, the bike goes faster because it's holding the throttle. It's not just holding the throttle, it's not controlling the speed as a regular speed control as on my Victory. It's holding the speed for the speed. So this cruiser goes is holding the throttle. You see that you're going down the hill, the bike is probably going to go a little bit faster than it's supposed to go. And I'm going to assume that I'm going to go up the hill and maybe a little bit slower. But right now, as you can see, it's holding right at 80. Going down a slightly incline right now, but it's still holding at 80. Small purchases for $30 for bikers up about 2 weeks ago. I do like it because it gives me that time to rest. And also, if I'm with a pack of bikes and I'm trying to keep a constant speed, it does keep that constant speed for you without you having to do the job. So, my review on this is to go through. I picked it up in Lawson River Run. I put more information in the blog. But for all purposes, I like it. It's just my Honda CTS. Cruise control. It's easy to take off, so it's not one of those things that cumbersome to take off. So when you pause the bike, you don't want to take it off, and then somebody can spend the time to take it off and steal it. I like it. It easily comes off. You can easily put it right back on. It takes a little bit of time to get it calibrated right. Like I said before, I had to reach over to get it calibrated, which was no big deal. Once I got it calibrated, you see that just right. But like right now, like I said, it's slipping and slowing down, so I'm going to have to recalibrate it a little bit. So I'm probably going to have to tighten it up a little bit. Okay, so I've got to recalibrate it. Got to tighten that up. Let's see if it holds. Let's see if it holds now. But it seems like it's slipping again. So, the cool thing about it is if you're going too fast, all you have to do is go forward on it and it flips back. So, it does take some time to get it calibrated. I don't know if I have it tight right, but all in all, did a good job of holding the speed. So, my review on this one is good, man. Thanks for watching, man. Motorcycle business. Out.